So for today's video, we're gonna go ahead and install vz102506, which is the Redeye hood right there. Full carbon fiber, all vents are already pre-installed for you, and the holes are pre-made already. So all you gotta do is take off your OEM hood, or if you do have a pre-existing carbon fiber hood like this one, which is the vz102505, we're just gonna take off everything and swap it out to that one. So we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood. We're gonna transfer this over, take off the hose, and then remove it and transfer it over to that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the washer, the windshield washer thing. You just pull it off and it comes right off. This one's, you just give it a nice wiggle and then they should come off. So that's basically released. Now for this part, you do need a second person to hold the hood. But I'm gonna go ahead and take off the latch first before I go look for somebody to help me out. By the way, you're gonna need a 13 in this case, so if you lost your 10 millimeter, don't worry about it, you don't need it. Off. This is what I mean, like we cut the bolt in half so it could fit.
What do you mean?
We cut it off in half for this hood because the hole is a little bit smaller, but it attached well. I'm just gonna loosen it up and then I'll let him know to come. You're gonna need a second person to hold on the other side and loosen and end up loosening it up so we could go ahead and deattach the hood. So the hood is off. So you're gonna have to take off the bolts that it comes with. You can go ahead and use these when you install it onto your car. So we're gonna go ahead and place the Redeye hood to the car. You can use your OEM bolts back on, or if you want to use the ones that came with the hood, it's up to you. So you want to test fit the hood. So you can see that over here, the gap is a little bit bigger than over there. So now we're just gonna loosen it up a little bit and move it towards this way. So just so we could put it back into place. My helper, he placed the bolt more this way than this way. You wanna align it with that same section. So now I have to move the hood a little bit towards that way so it could just push over it. So now we're gonna take off these bolts that were put on there, if you want to use them. Just putting the latch into place. All right, so you're gonna have to drill in holes for the stomps to go inside with. So we're gonna do one here. So you're gonna have to make these holes bigger so this could fit in there, snap in place. It's supposed to go in here, but you have to make it wider. This is optional. If you don't want to install it, you don't have to. We're making this hole bigger for the windshield shooters. Let's call them that. So this has to go in here and clip in and snap in, but the hole is a little bit smaller, so we're just gonna go ahead and make it bigger. I'm not near the compressor, so I can't just like get a grinder or something and cut it off. So I'm using a drill. All right, so that's a wrap on the vz102506 Redeye full carbon fiber hood. I was about to say steering wheel. Make sure to like and subscribe, leave comments below if you have any other questions. You could call, email us, DM us on Instagram. Make sure you follow the Facebook groups. We're gonna have a meet in vicrez house in January 9th. So make sure to stay tuned on that. We'll be promoting it on our Instagram page and of course our YouTube channel.